Good morning, this is Anka Metcalf with TradeOutloud.com. Welcome to my pre-market game plan for the major future indices, gold and oil for today, Monday. It is May 8th, and it's 9 o'clock a.m. Eastern Time. So let's take a look at the market, and let's begin with the E-mini Dow. E-mini Dow has traded last night over 21,000. Actually 21,011 was the high, and pulled back into a support area, and this is the first support area that was developed overnight, 20,932, from which it tried to rally again. And you could see here, you see this cluster where it's stabilized. It's coming from a prior pivot high from last week, from last Thursday. The price then came back down, creates a support level at 20,920, and we have another support area from that day, from that Thursday, that is at 20,893. So at this point, we're looking for another continuation higher. We're still looking very bullishly. We're residing here on support 920 as well, and you can see very well that as long as we're holding the support area, so the bottom of the support, like I said, is 911 and 900. So far we have a 20-point range here for the stop, with a potential run, not that much, into probably a 1R. So it's not great for a trade. When we talk about the risk to reward, we're going to wait for the open to see if the price can push beyond this 944 level, and obviously continuation higher potential into the 960, 980, and all the way back into the 2100 level. Let's take a look at the S&P 500, and keep in mind that YM was the weakest indice to begin with. S&P 500, same pattern. It popped new all-time high, 2403.75, came back down, tried to consolidate, 2394, went back up, came back down at the support level, 2392. And the key here is the 2398 area. If we break above the 2398 area, then yes, we can continue higher. Other than that, we're going to continue in this very small range, which we support 2392 and 2397. So it's a 5-point range right here. If we break below this 92 level, we can definitely continue lower into the 2387 for the day. Let's take a look at the E-mini NASDAQ. And NASDAQ has continued to be the strongest. First level of support for the overnight is 5638. Secondary level is 5634. And we're developing another area of support here at 5640. We're triggering an hourly buy. But the real line in the sand is going to be if the NASDAQ will be able to trade above 5648. This is going to be the key level for today. So far it's acting a little bit bullish. We're 15 minutes to go into the New York Open, and we have a 3-point range here until we erase this resistance. If we erase this resistance, yes, we can continue higher. 5660 is going to be a target one level that was set overnight. The second target is going to be around the 5680 area, 5700 and 5711, 5710, 5711 for a projection for today. Let's take a look at GC, and this is gold for today. So gold actually had a little gap down, continue lower into the 1221. As the market was spiking higher, gold was spiking lower. Buyers stepped in, took the price back into this resistance level. Price came back down, consolidating at support level at 1229. Continued back up into this cluster of resistance. You can see how whippy it is. The first level of resistance is 1235. Secondary level is at 36, and then it went to 3690, and then back into the bottom of the base. So at this point, we have support level at 1229 and resistance at 1236. A break over 1236 can send the price higher into the 1240 area, and continuation higher all the way into the 1248, 1250, 1260, and back into the 1275. If we get a break above this area, we might have a change of trend that is happening. The first trigger, like I said, is going to be over this 1237, 1238 area. We need to clear this area for a continuation higher. If we break below the support level at 1230, 1229, we have room to continue lower into the 1224, 1222, and 1220 area. Last but not least, oil. And oil has been ascending, has created a resistance that we have been talking about last night at $47 in the market wrap up. That was delivered on Sunday, $47 for a cap here. So far, we've triggered a daily buy. We took out the prior low at 46.70. We created a new high, like I said, 47 without being able to continue higher. We're going to see if this is going to be the pullback, the launch pad for the price of oil to continue higher. So I'm watching this support level hold here. You can see that it's coming from a prior high that was set on Friday, and this is at $45.80. If we get a break above higher, 46.30, 46.35 is 46.40 is going to be the first clue that we might be able to continue higher. 4 smaller time frames to watch. Again, it's trying to find a cap here at $46. It is curling down a little bit. It doesn't look that promising that it wants to continue higher, because on a smaller time frame, and let me just put a smaller time frame here, the 2-minute, you can see that this price level here at $46 is finding a cap. It's finding this top here, and it's fighting it over the whole number, very little over the whole number, and it's trying to pull back. So under 46, it can continue to 46.90 and 46.80. However, keep in mind the big picture, and we also have a 200 moving average over there. So this was all for now. Thanks very much for tuning in. More trading ideas in the private Twitter feed. Keep in mind, we're having a new class, and it's a 6-day class. It starts May 22nd, followed by 1-day trading lab where we put everything together. It's a day. It is an power income day trading futures class. If you want more information about the class, you can visit our website. It is tradeoutloud.com/futures. And if you want to find out more, if you want to register, feel free to email me at info@tradeoutloud.com.